Do you know that your Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy S25 Ultra can team up to help you track and manage stress? Let's see how it works in Samsung Health. To do so, open Samsung Health app on your phone. Look for the stress card. This card shows your last stress state. Mine says relax with a color code graph from blue to orange. As a note, your Galaxy Watch 6 measure your stress level and send the result here. So make sure your watch is paired with your phone. Tap the stress card to view details. At the top, you will see a line chart of your stress history showing increases or decreases over time. Below that, you will find your latest stress measurement with a color indicator. Scroll down to check your stress breakdown throughout the day: high, moderate, low, or relaxed with percentage. You will also see the times when you were most relaxed or stressed. For example, mine says relax at 6:47 p.m. At the bottom, explore the mindfulness section where you can try guided breathing or relaxation exercises to help reduce stress. So if you want a better way to understand and manage your stress, your Galaxy Watch 6 and Samsung Health on the Galaxy S25 Ultra make a powerful team. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.